Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today, we are here to start a new chapter, the world of animals. So, very first thing, write today's date. Today is 9/12/21. On the red line, write the chapter's name, The World of Animals. Now, we are going to write the important fill in the blanks from the chapter. Okay? So let's write the question. Leave the first line. Start the question from the second line. Fill in the blanks. The first one is dash and dash live around 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 us. So children, as we have completed one chapter, the chapter name was the world of plants. And the first blank is the same. We have to write here plants. 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 We have completed the chapter the world of plants. And so now you all know everything about plants. Okay. And what is the second blank? What we have to write in the second blank? Plants and animals. Correct. Write along with me. Animals. Plants and animals live around us. Okay. If you see around you, you will find many kinds of plants and also animals around us. Okay. And plants, you know everything about plants now because we have completed the chapter. And what about animals? We have started the chapter and now we are going to learn more and more about animals. Okay, so let's repeat the sentence once with me, children. Plants and animals live around us. Let's write the second sentence. Number 2 is animals that can be kept at farm. Farm. Animals that can be kept at farm or home are called dash animals. So children, those animals which you can keep it at home or also you can keep it on farm, that type of animals are called domestic animals. So write it along with me. Domestic animals. Domestic. Domestic animals. Let's repeat it once, children. Animals that can be kept at farm or home are called domestic animals. Very nice. Now we come to the third sentence. And number 3 is animals like dogs, cats, or fish kept at home are called dash. Okay. Now here it was animals that can be kept at farm or home. But what is given here? Animals like dogs, cats, or fish kept at home. Word farm is not there. The animals that can be kept at home are called what? This type of animals are called pets. P-E-T-S, pets. The animals which we keep at home along with us are called pets. P-E-T-S, pets. Okay, see the difference, children? The animals which can also be kept in farm or home, those type of animals are called domestic animals. Check out the spelling as well. D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. Domestic animals. Domestic animals are those which can be kept on farm or home. Okay, but if I say only home, then those type of animals are called pets. P-E-T-S, pets. Okay, for example, dogs, cats, or fish. Now we come to number 4. Fourth sentence is name some animals that live. Let me turn the page. Name some animals that live on land. So children, in this one you have to name some animals that live on land, okay? Put a comma and give some of the blanks. 1, 2, many are there. 3, 4, and 5. I give 5 of them, okay? When I write etc. So, what are the names you can give here? The animals that live on land. It can be elephant. Write with me. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Cat. Dog. And one more we can write as lion. L-I-O-N. Lion, etc. Etc. means many more are there. Okay, we have written here names some animals. So I've written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 names of the animals that live on land. Okay, repeat after me, children. Elephant, zebra, cat, dog, and lion. Okay, now I come to number 5 is name some Water, water, water. Animals, animals. Put a comma and put some of the dashes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll write etc. again because there are many more. Okay. So, we are about to write the names of some animals which live in water. Their example can be frog, Frog, frog. Frog live inside the water as well and on land also. Okay. Second one, fish, fish. Frog, fish. What else? Octopus, octopus. Octopus, octopus. And one more we will write seahorse, 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 etc. because there are many more water animals. Okay, so let's repeat it once, children. Name some water animals: frog, fish, octopus, seahorse, etc. Okay, so this was all for today, children. Rest we are going to continue tomorrow. Thank you.